Hello, everyone, and good morning. It's Dwight Ferris here, and welcome to INT1108 Practical Computer Applications. I'm just going to walk through, give you an overview of our course, and hopefully you can also ask me questions throughout the process, and we can just go from there. So let me go ahead and share my screen here, so you don't have to look at my uh, ugly face. So yeah. All right. So in case you haven't figured it out, we are using the Moodle learning management system. And this is what our course looks like. This is our main landing page with all the nice graphics. And we have essentially a weekly model that we go through. We start out, before we get into the lessons, please check the instructor announcements. Just click on the link. There's several announcements in there that I have added that will help you understand exactly what we're trying to accomplish in the course. And what I'd like to do is just go through quickly as soon as I get back to the course. Just go through quickly what to expect over the next 5 weeks. Also, before I start again, please go ahead and introduce yourself under the course introductions. Just add to that forum. And if you have any questions, in this section, the question and answer section is where you add those. There's also the syllabus. There's also registering for SimNet if you're having any issues. And remember, SimNet is essentially our textbook / external learning environment, other than the Moodle web page. Basically, this is a little video that walks you through essentially what you would need to do to access the learning environment. Please watch that. And then our library access. And then here's a very important link. This will definitely help you starting week 3, accessing Office 365, another video that will show you essentially what you need to do if you're having issues accessing that environment. So please watch those. They're very informative, and they will help you navigate through the class. The last item in kind of the course description section is this discussion rubric calculator, and is essentially what we're expecting. You can download this. It's an actual Excel spreadsheet, but generally we use this to calculate your grades as far as the discussions. Okay, so on to lesson 1, and I'm just going to go over this lesson right now, and I'll have upcoming overviews as well as we go through each of the weeks. So in the first week, it's just essentially an introduction to computer concepts and file management. Once again, you have the SimNet environment. Click on that, and this will show you how, or this is the video, excuse me. This will show you how to navigate the environment. Remember, these are very informative. And then the actual SimNet environment is this McGraw-Hill SimNet link with the little puzzle piece. You click on that, and mine will go a little bit different, but yours will essentially land on this page, and it should look like this. And I have to navigate to the right course here, so bear with me while I do this, because we're actually in November. As you see, I've taught this course several times. So, and what course are we? This is the 19th. So if you just bear with me, I'll give you a brief introduction into this environment as soon as I can find the right date. There we go. So we're in section 3. So essentially, you'll see your environment will look like this. So when you click on the little links in the little tabs, little blocks for lesson 1, you get the 3 tasks. So basically, I would suggest, I'm not going to walk through these. I don't want to spend any more time trying, I would watch the video that introduces the environment. And if you have any questions in this video here, then you can always ask me. And then the final aspect, week 1 is pretty easy. So I would definitely get started on that. Is your lesson 1 discussion on file management. Just go ahead and read through the instructions. One thing I do want to point out You are tasked to answer the discussion question or respond to the discussion question before Wednesday to get full credit, and then at least 2 separate days respond or comment on your classmates' posts. So those 2 particular aspects are pretty important. But that's essentially the first week. So I did want to have you all just take a look at that. Once again, go through the kind of the description section of the course, and then that's the week 1. That's this first week. So thanks again for your attention. Let me say so long, and let me navigate out of screen share. Oops, I bet you that's annoying. So anyway, hello again. It's Dwight, and looking forward to working with you all. Take care.